Hi. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Service Bus to create a chat application. Right now in IntelliJ, I opened three terminals and I'm going to start the application. This is Spring Boot application. Okay, so this is my Service Bus, and right now there is no topic at all. The application will create the topic by itself. Let's pick three participants so we get to know um, who has joined. Okay, so we get the message and just do a refresh. We got the chart topic which is created by the application, and everyone is a subscriber. So if we go into the chat topic, we have a Bill, we have Elon, and we have Jeff. So this is the demo.